Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Of gratitude to the Chief Minister.
Myntri Rangbah ke jela Konrad Kongres Sangma ula penpawi ke jing Angnud bandon na pedeng ki Nongïalehkai ke jela Meghalaya ki banyo Khur Takma haga Olympic arajar laipu ar kaban long ha Australia. Ya kene ula penpawi ke jing elang play ke slem ajing hikai jong ke bhaicung Bhutia Football School haga ni ke Nongba kepada ke slem ajing hikai ke ningkong haga thain setelam mi. Ula penpau ba wat la kalong ka thong ka ba ba Henry lada amdan nya ka thong nginam la ban kenjo syakata ka thong uni Myntri Rangbah ula kren shai ba kum ke jela ka thrang ban Khur Takma ha ka Olympic ula ong ba dei ni ka daw ka sarkar ka la penlong ban ya keleng ki snong khamtam ki thai nong kendong ban yit ki khna ki badon sap ki Nongïalehkai ba pher ba lingba ka jing trelang bat ka wei ki kinhon jong ka ten kabana Australia bat lingba ka jing bishar banya lalap baki khna ki don shisha ki sap Nongïalehkai ba kerpang bat menta ki don kumba arspa ngut ki khna ki bat tebet ha ki Nongïalehkai ba pher ti kumta kalong ka badon kamban play ya ki lat ki lenti ha kaban ajing hikai khnang ba ki jipos nem ti ban sawan kin sala ban penpau ya ki jing tebet bat kin sala aru ban Khur Takma ha ka lempung Nongïalehkai Olympic.
So we have made a target that if not in the next Olympics and then maybe not possible in the Olympics after that, in the 2032 Olympics, which I think will be I think US, in fact, I can't remember now. But we have target that we want that somebody from Meghalaya should get a medal in the Olympics. I know it's a very big target, but then if you don't have big targets, if you don't have big dreams, well, you won't move forward. So we are very clear that we want to win a medal in the Olympics. And therefore we realize we can't wait for the students to just, or the sports person to just come out of the blue and expect that they will win an Olympics. There's a scientific approach to all of this. And we started tying up with technical experts, where we are now serving through villages. Our people are going through village to village, school to school, having a physical test survey done, where there are some standard 4-level tests, sprinting, zigzag, some movement, high jump, even I don't know the technical names, but I've just seen them do it. And we are scientifically screening the talent that is there in the youth. We realize that the youth actually watch TV and media, and they start liking a particular game, say for example cricket, and they say, I want to be a cricketer. But then, sadly, their talent is not in cricket, but their talent is in football, for example. And the student or the kid will never realize it because there is no scientific way of finding out. Because the only thing that he or she has been exposed to is the media, which shows cricket up there. But then the talent may be in archery, the talent may be in athletics. And hence a scientific approach is required, and hence we started screening. And I'm happy to tell you that we were able to identify 200 super athletes. And when I say super athletes, these are village boys and girls who ran without shoes, who have never been given any professional training, and they did as well as any super athlete would do at international level. That means the US and Australia standards were taken. And there were 200 of our youth who actually were able to perform as good as super athlete of the US and Australia, who have been trained, by the way, and who have got all the facilities and the equipment they require. So this kind of we call it a STAR program. It's been going on for the last 3-4 years now. So we are doing this, and we want them then to be, scientifically then selected, trained, put in centers of excellence throughout the country and the world if possible. And we hope that this 10-year program of ours, will allow us to then able to win an Olympics in the time to come. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you